Teasels. I'll notice these rose hips, these dog rose, dotted about across the site as well. Lots of evidence of rabbit droppings, but I can't say I've seen any. So usually come out at dusk and dawn, rabbits to feed. I've taken this route down. Not sure how safe this is going to be down here. So yeah, I was told by a local that this was the base, the hub for the bottom of the dry ski slope, and there's a rabbit cutting across. That's the first one I've seen on the site, so they're here.